I don't know what your thoughts are on
Blizzard World.
but I
Blizzard
honestly,
World. Blizzard World. Sorry, what were you saying?
I was saying Blizzard World can suck my gonads.
Okay.
I'm surprised they
Well,
don't have a Chinese flag erected here.
so you heard
Hanging
about
Winnie the
the Blizzard Hong Kong
Oh, yeah.
scandal? Blizzard.
We here at Blizzard
Chosen
Entertainment
one.
love China's dick. It tastes so good. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting out of here. It's a bit too much heat.
I don't know.
Oh.
You okay? You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Love that noise.
I think I'm dead.
Go.
This is it. This is the one. Oh!
Oh no! See you, dude.
I'm a bit surprised by that because it said pinned, but you know what? Blizzard be Blizzard. Jeff,
Blizzard
I
people.
bet this guy was Chinese. We don't want to offend the Chinese.
Whenever you lose, just call Blizzard bigots and blame it on racism and favoritism towards
The
corrupt
Chinese.
governments.
Whoa, I've never seen a Sombra play the game.
This is good. This is a fantastic.
Oh no, you got to see me hiding. Oh, look at that. Is this for your ult at the end, please?
No. This is just us trying to kill Sigma.
What? Play of the game was killing
That
Sigma.
was-
Jesus
that was-
Christ. Okay. You got a Lucio, a Reddit Lucio, of course. Except he's on the subreddit for bad plays.
There's a subreddit for that.
He's up.
So I'd use it. Oh, I'm not with you. I'm not with you. Sorry. Oh, where are you? Oh my god.
That was honestly, I mean, my ult wasn't the fattest, but it was the sexiest ult. You know, something can be not be fat, but be sexy.
Okay.
See
I
it to
don't know what
believe
you mean, but I believe you.
Watch
Behind,
out!
behind.
What up?
Shoot down.
Oh, beautiful shield! I came prematurely, I'm sorry. It wasn't my intention.
Wait, hold on. I'm confused. Were you complimenting your own shield?
No! That's not what I was doing. I was complimenting your shield.
Oh, wait, Oh!
No,
I thought
you did.
shielded him and then went to yourself. Beautiful shield!
Sim!
Give it back.
She had to go. Sorry,
God.
man. If you can get...
That's retarded call that's just you fucking just having an orgasm. Just extreme thrusting. Sim. Oh.
why do they keep unsleeping him? Like, awaking him, I suppose would be the word for it.
I fucking love it.
Could you repeat that? I'm not sure I got enough ear right.
What does that sound like on your end? I genuinely don't know what that's.
Sounds a bit like that. That thing at the start where you got the 2 kills and the Roadhog and the McCree. Mwah.
Oh, finally, because they got split up down a dark alleyway, and that's where me and you flourish.
Yeah, in dark alleyways.
Dark alleyways.
Just fingers and...
And a 3-ton, 7-foot mech. Who we picking?
yeah, good question. I'm picking
for it, make it,
healing.
make.
I can't... Heal me, fucking... Sorry, that was completely uncalled for.
So if you're low, just don't be shy to scream out.
So no, there's no excuse for it. That was
No, that was poor.
that was poor on my behalf.
That was incredible.
I'm gonna take a 5-day training course in anger management. I will have sex with a man so I can know what it's like to be a homosexual, and then I'll feel the history of homosexuality course through me. And that'll teach me not to say but ever again.
That's like a Michael Scott way of dealing with Remember on the witch hunt episode, the gay witch hunt,
Yeah.
where he kissed Oscar because he felt like it was the most appropriate way to handle the scenario?
Yeah. That was
Freaking
great, wasn't
fantastic. Ah,
it? I might have to leave you, man, because I've got the guests have arrived. Oh,
that's alright, man.
yeah. All right. I will once I've died here. Okay.